Hello, welcome to Volume of Three-Dimensional Objects. Here we're going to look at the names and formulas of the three objects we're going to be speaking about this week. The first is a rectangular prism, and that is just a three-dimensional rectangular box. It's got width, height, and length. So it's length, height, and width. So it's got three dimensions to it. The formula is going to look like this. Volume equals capital B times H, which means area of the base times height, or what we commonly refer to it as length times width times height. Let's look at the triangular prism. The triangular prism is going to be a triangle that is, a series of triangles, two triangles, overlapped to make a three-dimensional shape. Okay, it's got two triangles and 5 total sides. It also has a height, length, and a width. The volume is very similar. Volume equals capital B times H, which is area of the base times height. Well, the area of the base of a triangular prism is a triangle, and that means that it is 1/2 base times height times the height. So it's going to be 1/2 the length times the height times the width, and we'll look more at this one later. And now we have cylinders. If you think like a soup can, a pop can, or a Pringles can. And cylinders either have a radius or a diameter, they can have both, and they have a height. Again, it's volume equals capital B times the height, which is the area of the base, times the height. And here the area of my base is the area of the circle. So it's pi r squared times the height. And let's go back and describe our bases. The base of a cylinder is a circle. The base of a triangular prism is a triangle. And the base of a rectangular prism is a rectangle. It's important to note this so that when we're finding the area of the base, we know that it's a rectangle. We know whether it's a triangle, we know whether it's a circle. Okay, so formulas: pi r squared, 1/2 base times height, and length times width times height. Alright, let's go look at some examples in the next videos.